why these 21 names are taken before every puja, even before the real innovation of it. First, you have to worship Sri Ganesha. But even before worshipping, why these names are taken is important to understand. Everything has a why. Because these are the 21 channels within your Sushumna. 21 channels, we should say, in this complete Ida, Pingla and Sushumna Nadi. So, to raise you, absolutely to give you the ascent, 21 channels in Ida, Pingla, Sushumna. So one would say 7 channels in the Sushumna Nadi. But these 7 channels are divided, multiplied by 7 into 3. So every channel has got 21 channels. So Sushumna Nadi has got also 21 channels. Left hand side nadis are, as you know that, perhaps you know, I don't know if you know the names. And the right hand side also, like Gayatri, Parvati and all these are on the right hand side. And the left ones are called as Chamundi and all these left-sided things. There are 7 of them. Now, the central path has got 21 channels and has got 21 powers. And their deities are named according to the 21 aspects of Sri Vishnu. And that's why these 21 aspects are first said, so that within you all these 21 channels are awakened. Within you, first of all. Puja is a double thing. That a cup has to be made, and then this source has to be opened up. So you are the cup. The Sushumna is the channel you have by which you suck it. So to open the Sushumna, these 21 names are said. Now why first Sri Ganesha? Because Sri Ganesha is the beginning of the desire and the end of the desire. You start with Ganesha and end up with Ganesha. And that's why Sri Ganesha is worshipped. It's the other way around now, the source. When you direct your attention to the source, you worship it. And when you want to incite or open out your own being, then you chant it. This is the difference between worship and a mantra. If you just say mantra, you open yourself up. But when you worship and chant, then you tap the source. I don't know if I've said this before or not. That's how you understand the puja part. Now those who are newcomers, their cup is completely useless. And when you excite the deities, they get busy opening their cups, everybody's cups also. So it's a double work. But if your cup is ready, it's very easy to fill it. So now these 21 names, I think we should take again with the understanding is better.